slowly dance so near. Your touch, it lingers, whispers in my ear. A breath of longing floating in the air. Silent confessions laying our souls bare. Oh, sweet surrender in your arms tonight. The world fades gently, bathed in golden light. Your heartbeat echoes soft against my skin. With every moment love begins.
Sorry, why?
No.
Why?
No.
Sorry.
Okay.
Quiet rhythm, like waves upon the sea. The moonlight paints your face a tender hue. I'm lost in wonder, every glance is you. Oh, sweet surrender in your arms tonight. The world fades gently, bathed in golden light. Your heartbeat echoes soft against my skin.
Excuse me. Unaweza kutufanya magana.
Telefone yanjye yazimye.
Oh, sorry.
Sacred garden blooming midnight flowers. Your gaze unspoken.
Sorry, can I ask you some questions?
Okay.
Ko wambaye ibirenge byagenze gute?
Inkweto zanjye yabonye ko naguye.
Oh, sorry. Nanjye ntabwo mba niyumvisha buryo umuntu yambara inkweto zireshye uko nguko.
Nubwo mbere nari zambaye probably the last. Kandi sorry nababwiye nabiteze namwe.
Yeah, I see. Sorry. Nta kibazo kabisa. But maybe nagutiza.
Sorry?
Nagutiza ntacyo byaba bitwara.
Ugenda na open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, nk'umutrainer umuntu aba agomba kuba afite open ku ruhande.
Oh wow, uri umutrainer. I really like it. Nanjye muri no minsi nsigaye nkunda kujya muri training.
Oh, ni iki kigutera gukunda training?
Nkunda sport.
Wow. Ukunda sport?
I really like sport.
Wow, that's good. Nawe ndakunda gukora sport cyane.
Wow. Muri no minsi nsigaye njya muri gym.
Wow, ukorera muri gym?
Muri Platinum gym.
Platinum gym?
Yeah.
Nanjye niho nkunda gukorera. But ngiye nkora kwa mbere, kwa gatatu no kwa gatanu. Maybe ushobora gusanga ukora n'indi minsi itari iyo ngiye, akaba ariyo mpamvu najya nkubona.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, byakunda kuba ejo twajyana gukora sport.
Ejo? No, ntabwo byakunda.
Why?
Because it's my birthday.
What?
It's my birthday.
Sure.
Yeah.
Tomorrow it's mine too.
No?
Yeah.
No? Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. You're my twin?
Yeah.
Oh my god. 18 May?
Yeah, 18 May.
Oh my god. Murugo ni he?
Oh, mu rugo ni Gisenyi. Gisenyi hafi n'umupaka wa Kongo.
Jesus. uzi ko nanjye mwera Gisenyi.
Sure?
Yeah, sure. Hafi n'umupaka.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah. By the way, nitwa Kevine.
Wow, sure?
Sure.
Wow, that's good.
Ay. Why are you laughing?
Nanjye nitwa Kevin.
Kevine.
Yeah.
My God. I'm excited.
I appreciate it.
I wore my pain like a second skin, hid in the dark where the screams begin. They called me wrong, called me blight, till you walked in unafraid of the night. Your voice cut through my endless gray. Scars are just shadows.
Nice to
Light we borrow. You trace the
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
turn my today into a tomorrow. Scars fade in the light when someone stays to fight.
Ndabona igihe cyangendanye n'imvura igiye kugwa. Bashi ndumva twazabona leta.
What? Oh, his shoes? Kevin! Oh my front! What about your shoes?
Soft shadows on the wall, we dance so near. Your touch, it lingers, whispers in my ear. A breath of longing floating in the air. Silent confessions laying our souls bare. Oh, sweet surrender in your arms tonight. The world fades gently, bathed in golden light. Your heartbeat echoes soft against my skin. With every moment, love begins again. Time moves slower when you're close to me. A quiet rhythm, like waves upon the sea. The moonlight paints your face a tender hue. I'm lost in wonder, every glance is you. Oh, sweet surrender in your arms tonight. The world fades gently,